Alright, this is how to change your spark plugs on a Jaguar X-Type with a 2.5. It's a pretty basic rundown. You're going to take your air filter top off here, which is just all these little Phillips screws. Pop this guy off. You're just going to take a screwdriver, stick it under this clip, like if we were to look on this one here. Stick it under that clip and just kind of pry up and it'll just pop apart. And then you can just, when you put it back together, you can just stick it on there, kind of like this, and push down right there and it'll clip together. Take this out. You don't have to unplug this sensor over here, just kind of turn that like that. I already took the air filter out. Undo these screws here. And this drain here for me broke, but I don't think that's a big deal. You lift this back and then you can get to your spark plugs back there. To take one of these spark plugs out, it's a 7mm bolt right here. Take that out and slide your coil pack off. And then it's a 16mm deep socket that you'll need to take the spark plug out. Now for the back, which is the more tricky, but it's not really that bad. So first thing you want to do, unplug all your clips. There's one here, one here, one here, one here. You take these two hoses here out by pushing down on this outside ring here and lifting up, and then those just pull out. This guy just pulls out of the boot here. Same with this guy, just pulls out of that boot there. Set that off to the side. Now we're going to take out all the bolts that were in the manifold here. I believe that was a 10mm, if I'm remembering correctly. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take those out, and then there is a bolt that is right here that you take out. Also, I believe it's a 10mm. And then last, there's this vacuum hose right here. Unplug that, and then there's 2 bolts on the back of the manifold here that hook this big wiring harness in there. I don't know how, try to get a good view here. It hooks on right here, right where my index finger is, right there, and then there's another one on the other side. Right there. That's where it hooks on right there. So then you can, so there's a coolant hose right here. I think you can see, yeah, right there, that coolant hose. Don't worry about it. So what you're going to do, just lift the manifold up, like that. A little more tricky one-handed than it is with both. Make sure all your plugs and stuff are not in your way. Just kind of twist it off to the side like that. And then you can get back here to your other spark plugs. I already got that one taken out. So that's all there is to it. It's not really that hard. There's just a number of clips and bolts that you gotta take out. Putting it back together, same way as it come apart. So you can see it's not really that big of a deal. It's not that hard of a job. Probably take you about 15 or 20 minutes to take this all apart. If you got any questions, comment below. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.